Hey, how you doing? I get asked this question a lot about how do you find time to record so many videos? There's always one coming out every day or every other day. And the trick isn't even a trick. And there isn't a amazing method or I'm going to share some kind of bulletproof solution for you. What it comes down to is commitment, perseverance, and almost planning ahead. Now, if you're one of those people that they've got a YouTube channel or they want to start one up on any subject or anything that interests you, you got to, number one, be passionate about it. Number two, put in the time to research and come across as an influencer. So don't just come in and go, well, I think you should use this, but I'm not really sure. But hey, look, I'll just click a few buttons or I'll talk to you about makeup or food or whatever. No, you got to make sure you know what you're talking about. But what's really, really important is start thinking ahead as to how many videos you can record and when you're going to do them and when you're going to release them. So what I mean is, I sometimes release between 3 to 5 videos a week. On a bad week, it will be 3. On a week where I really need to get stuff out, it might be 4 or 5. In a month, there's on average about 30 and a bit days, okay? 30 days, let's say. I don't record every day. I might record 6 videos per week. Now, right now, you're going, what? 6 videos per week? That's a heck of a lot. Not really. I might record 2 videos Monday morning, 2 Wednesday morning, and 2 on Friday. Do you get what I've done here? 6 videos a week, but I didn't record on Tuesday and I didn't record on Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. I might do, I might not. Monday afternoon, I might edit them. Now, if you've got other website projects or other jobs or things you got to do, of course, that's going to influence and impact on how much you can get done or not. But if you can get 2 videos done on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, that's 6 videos per week. Okay? Per month, that's about 24 videos per month. Per year, that's 288 videos. What? 288. Now just hold that thought in your head. 288 videos. If I release 2 videos per week, I'm more than that. But let's say you do 2 videos per week. That would mean that those 24 videos that you recorded alright, let me break it down. In January, you record 24 videos. 6 videos per week, right? 24 videos. If you release 2 videos per week, that will last 12 weeks. 24 videos, 2 per week, 24 divided by 2 is 12. That's 12 weeks of material. So you've now got enough material to last January, February, and March. You did all the work in January and you've covered off February and March. If you stick to that plan, and you do 288 videos, right? Sorry, let me reword that. If you release 2 videos per week, you will then, if you stick to this plan of 6 per week, right? 6 per week, and you release 2 per week, you will have enough videos to cover a year recorded within 5 months. So in 5 months, you will have recorded enough videos to last the entire year. That's 7 months of the year where you're not recording videos. If you release 3 videos a week, you'll have enough material for 8 weeks. And I'm just going to jump ahead. On average, I'm about 4 videos a week. It might be 3, it might be 4, it might be 5, sometimes 6, but on average about 4 a week. If I record 24 videos per month, I will have enough material to last 6 weeks because I'm releasing 4 per month. Now that means that when I work it out, I have to spend 9 months per year recording or enough material in 9 months to cover 1 entire year. That gives me 3 months of downtime anywhere in the year. Maybe it's a holiday, maybe I'm busy, whatever. I couldn't do it. Maybe I was ill, something like that. What I'm trying to get across is that if you get into this rhythm and you record and you edit and you schedule and you get them uploaded onto YouTube, don't just record and leave them on your hard drive gathering dust. No, recorded. So I did 2 videos this morning. Okay, I'm going to do another one after this one. Then I will edit them this evening. And then once I've edited them, I will get the cover art done and upload onto YouTube and schedule them in. I like to release videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes in between when I have other material. They're all scheduled in, right? It just means I'm ahead of the game. Right now, at the time of recording this video, and most likely this video will probably come out within a day of me recording it because I want to get it out there for all of you. At the time of recording, I've got enough material uploaded and scheduled on YouTube for the next 6 weeks. I would like to have more, but because of my son being home from school holidays, I didn't get as much done. And that's why you got to factor in downtime a little bit as well. But I've got 6 weeks of material already uploaded and scheduled. That's great. So that's talking about being productive, getting things done. But what about recording? What do you record? What content? Ideas? I do write down a list of videos I want to record, right? And then I stick them on my magnetic board and I start to timetable, right? Today I'm going to do 3 videos, right? Tomorrow I might do 2 or 1. As long as I get a minimum of 6 done per week, I'm okay. Everything after that is gravy. Wonderful. But make sure you get them recorded. You have 2 options. My 6 per week are what I call proactive videos. These are videos where I'm planning ahead for content that I want to record and get out there. I like to consider them to be evergreen videos. What I mean is, if I release them now or in 2 months' time, it's not going to matter too much. The content is still needed, I think, by the audience. What you don't want to do is, let's say you do 24 videos per month, you record them, and you release 1 per week. If you release 1 per week, well, you'll have 24 weeks worth of material. Well, in 24 weeks' time, we're now going into like month 5, 6 by this point of time, right? Month 5, month 6, whatever. Maybe what you recorded in January, by the time you release it in, say, June, it's out of date. The world has moved on. Technology has moved on. There's been updates in WordPress or other plugins or themes, or there's a better solution. Why would you record a video about how to write a program that converts your images into WebP, but it's going to take you 10 days? Because now you got bulkresizePhotos.com, right? So it's a bit pointless video now, right? Unless it's a special plugin and it has a flux capacitor. That's different. So I like to be proactive, but I like the videos to be as evergreen as possible. So it might be a tutorial on creating a website. It might be a solution to a problem or a fix or a feature, something like that. They're the videos I like to get recorded and scheduled. They're part of my 6 per week. But sometimes I will record a video, like right now, this video I'm doing now. This is not part of my scheduled evergreen list, even though I consider it evergreen. It'll still be relevant now, tomorrow, next week, next year. Okay? Next week. Of course it would be next week. Next year, in 10 years' time even. Okay? But some reactive videos might be something like a new plugin, a new feature. There's been an update. There is a problem. Something amazing is happening. Something really bad is happening, maybe. Reactive videos I might do as and when I get a moment, right? So there's been a new update on Elementor or WordPress or Bricks or whatever, and it's groundbreaking, or we need to talk about it, or I need to let you know more details about it. I'll do the video. And then I'll make a decision. Am I going to release that like now or tomorrow? Or can it wait a week or whatever? So don't be surprised when you see me release maybe 2 videos a day. That's usually an indication that I had a proactive video where I scheduled in advance, and I had a reactive video. And there's been times when I've done like 2 reactive videos on the same day because 2 things happened, or I wanted to get them out there. There's a new slider plugin. I've got to get it out there. Not because we're in a race, but because you want to get it out there. It's a bit like news reporters. They want to be the first one to break the news or tell you about something or give you their take on it. It's a bit like brand new movies come out, or a new trailer, or a soundtrack, or something, or new type of iPhone. There's going to be people that want to get that review out there, right? And you want to watch it. They want to be the one that people are coming to. So when it comes to recording videos, of course, be proactive. Get into a rhythm, a pattern. 6 per week. And then decide, are you going to release 2 per week, 3 per week, 4 per week, whatever. You are now ahead of the game. Even if you released 3 per week, you're covered for 8 weeks, right? That would cover March and February. And then in February, when you record 24 more videos, well, February's already covered based on what you did in January. So now you're covered for March and April, right? And then when you're recording videos in March, well, now you're covered April's already covered. Now you're covered for May and June. And, do you get what I mean? You're ahead of the game with things coming out. But reactive videos, something breaks, something works, something's happening in your life, get the reactive video out. Live chats, anything like that. But once you get into a rhythm, it's not that you'll feel guilty, but if you don't record videos for 3 or 4 days, regardless of the fact that you've got material scheduled in, unless you've got a good reason for not recording, trust me, you're going to go, no, you know what? I really should record, right? And I and other influencers, we don't just go, oh, we'll do this and we'll do that. We think about what we're going to do. We spend time researching. A video I did about a plugin, I spent nearly 3 hours researching and investigating it. And then I did a 25 minute video on it. I mean, it actually took about 3 hours to research. It took about an hour to record, just over an hour. It took nearly 2 hours to edit because I kept chopping and changing things. Then it was upload and release, all for a 25-minute video. That takes time. On top of your family, your pet cat, web design work, clients, investigation, invoicing, looking into other solutions. But don't be afraid of planning, because it shows in the videos you create. Literally late at night, I'll be like that going, right, okay, I know I've already got videos scheduled for the next 2 months, but what's the next big thing? What's happening in CSS? Is there a new trick? Is there something I solved 6 months ago, but there's a better way to do it now? Right, let's go and do a video on it. Maybe someone has shared with you a solution. Maybe you've seen a solution as a comment to someone else's video. Maybe someone out there's done a video on XYZ. And someone in a comment goes, yeah, but if you did this works better. Ooh, hold on a second. I'll go and test it. It works. I'll record a video, and I will give thanks to whoever came up with that solution. Don't just take ownership of it, give thanks. But if you're at that point where you have a YouTube channel, or you want to start one, but you're a little bit like, well, will I have enough content, or you're not producing enough content, make a decision on what you're going to focus on. You're focusing on CSS, HTML, JavaScript, Elementor, Divi, Wix, Bricks, Breakdance, whatever, Visual Composer, whatever you're focusing on, make a decision on it and go for it. Maybe you're just going to review plugins on WordPress for the rest of your life. Fine, go ahead with it. Maybe all you're going to do is tell people about bugs in WordPress. Fine, go ahead with it. Maybe you're going to tell people about how you like to dress when you're designing websites. Fine, go for it. But get into that rhythm of creating websites on a regular basis, because I'm telling you, you will be rewarded for it. Because, you decide you're going to have a week off because you want to go on holiday or whatever, the videos are still coming out. And if you want to get subscribers, if you want to get views, if you want to have followers and people engaging with you, wanting to work with you, contacting you, going, hey, maybe we can do a video together or something, you got to keep the content coming out, because the minute you stop doing it, a bit like social media, the minute you stop tweeting or LinkedIn or Facebooking or whatever, you will become forgotten. But, well, that's a bit of a lie. You could be so big that you could have 2 weeks off, but people will still flock to you and come to you. However, if you're starting off and you're trying to build that following, get into a pattern and get it done. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow, and get recording. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.